Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you recipe using quinoa. It is very high in protein and fiber. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. Take a pan or saucepan, add 2 cups of water and half teaspoon of salt and let the water boil. Once the water boils, into this add 1 cup of quinoa. The heat is on low medium flame while cooking the quinoa. So give it a quick mix, and now after mixing, cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on low medium flame. After 4 minutes, open the lid and you have seen the quinoa is halfway cooked, the water is absorbed. Now you have to cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes until it absorbs all the water and come to at this stage. So you have to keep on stirring in between. When the quinoa is absorbed all the water, as you have seen here, at this point switch off the gas and the quinoa is ready. Set this aside to cool down. Here I have taken 1/2 medium size onion. Now peel the onion and then cut it into the smaller pieces, basically the bite size piece. When you are eating it, it gives slight crunch. Do not use the yellow onion, it won't taste good when you are having salad. So after cutting all the onions, set this aside. I have taken 1 jalapeno pepper, so but I am going to half of this, cut it into half and remove the seeds. That way it is not way too spicy, but it smells so good in the salad. So after removing the seeds from the jalapeno pepper, cut it into small dice size pieces as I am showing you here. And now set this aside. Here I have taken 1 small size carrot. First peel the carrot. If you want, you can just wash it and use it as it is, but I have peeled it. And now cut both the ends and now cut it into further smaller pieces. And here I am cutting this carrot into juliennes. Few of the pieces I am going to dice. So I have cut 2 types of carrots. Here I have taken some cherry tomatoes, 10 to 15. You can take any type of tomato. If you don't have the cherry tomato, just dice it into smaller pieces. So the cherry tomatoes are also ready. Now here I have taken 1 avocado. First cut the top part and now cut it into half as I am showing you here. This is a easier way to cut the avocado, and now just with your hand remove it. It is very easy to remove in that way. Now cut it into thin slices as I am showing you here, and the skin is easily came off from the avocado. I find it that way easier. What is your easier way to remove the avocado? Let me know in the comment section below. I will love to hear from you guys. And now similar way I have removed the seeds and going to remove the second piece also. You have seen pretty easy to remove the skin from the avocado. Slice it into smaller pieces. Make sure to cut the avocado pieces at the end, because as you cutting it, it starts turning black. Here I have taken few leaves of Roman lettuce. You can take more or less according to your choice. Now chop it into smaller size. You can use spinach instead of Roman lettuce. The choice is yours. You can use different types of vegetables of your choice. You can use fresh turmeric also, mint also, that is up to you. And now here I have chopped the Roman lettuce. It's ready. Set this aside. For salad dressing, here I have taken 1 lemon, cut it into 2 half, and now squeeze the lemon juice into a separate bowl. This is approximately 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And now add half teaspoon of sugar or 1 teaspoon according to your choice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure to use the olive oil in this recipe. After that add 2 garlic cloves I have crushed the garlic cloves and now mix until the sugar and salt dissolved and it comes into the thick consistency, and you have seen the salad dressing is ready. We are looking for this type of consistency. Set it aside. Take a separate bowl, add boiled quinoa into this bowl, and you have seen 1 cup of quinoa converts into 1.5 cup of quinoa approximately, and add chopped onion, diced avocados, diced and carrot juliennes, both of them, and some cherry tomatoes, jalapeno pepper. You can add more, you can use the green chili also. Here I have taken some Roman lettuce chopped. Isn't it look so colorful and healthy? And after that, add this prepared salad dressing. If you want, you can use the market bought one salad dressing, but I prefer homemade salad dressing. In that way we know what we are eating. And now give it a quick mix until each and everything mixed together. After mixing, the quinoa salad is ready. You have seen how easy it is to make healthy quinoa salad with no time. You have to just boil the quinoa in the correct way, and then you can add the vegetable of your choice. Make sure to use the salad dressing, homemade salad dressing. That way you know what you are eating. And this is a very good option if anybody is following the weight loss diet. It is a very fuller salad, very healthy. And if you like this easy recipe of making quinoa salad at home, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And do let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more this type of recipes. Thank you.